Hey guys, come with me for a walk from Coogee to Bondi.
Absolutely not. You can just watch this from my POV. God, as if I'd ever do that. Absolutely not. Where are we going?
Bondi.
And what are we doing?
Walking. Thank you.
Let's go. Huh? We'll have to find you a toilet then, won't we? You're a toilet, like. And what are we doing?
Going to the beach.
You're a beach. My Ray-Bans are better than yours. Alright. Alright. Let's go.
Is that where it's on?
Yeah, I know, but we're starting here, aren't we? There we go. Coogee is what Lucy said.
Huh?
Coogee. Scenes. So much arse. Just said there's so much arse. You don't have to. Lucy, social media star. Here she is,
No, you
with
can't
her
see.
new little camera.
I don't understand what's going on.
You don't understand a lot of things. Can you see me?
No, you're not here.
Oh. Christ. There it is, the fat boy trying to get a tan. We love to see it. We love to see it. She's alright? Scenes. Gang gang. Keep it gang loose.
Keeping gang.
Keep it gang.
Keep it real.
Gang gang. It's pretty cool.
Huh?
Do you think that'll be safe? Oh god. I'd love to see a snake though, that would be pretty cool. You're a snake. I'm a snake. Yeah, but a lot of people are really weird on the internet. It's funny though. A lot of the weird people I think are funny. It's just the fake people I can't stand.
So, TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok. Fucking TikTok is mental at the minute. Really can't stand it. Is it seawater? Yeah, a bit gross. Even that one, this beach doesn't look very good, does it? It's all man-made as well. Oh well, let's just keep going and get it done.
This is
Quavelli?
Clovelly.
Clovelly?
Clovelly.
Clovelly. God, you're a retard, honestly.
Clovelly.
Clovelly.
No, it's the one L.
What are you going on about?
It's Clovelly.
Where were you born? Oh yeah, you were born in the north of England, weren't you? Makes a whole lot of sense.
You look at that and say Clovelly. Around the cemetery.
This is your section. You are a murderous sort
Oh, I was
of
literally-
Dracula woman.
I was literally looking at the other day at Christmas trees, you know, when we get our own house one day,
Yeah.
and you know, I'm thinking,
black one.
A black one, but Nightmare Before Christmas themed.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Yeah, you'd be cool with that.
Yeah.
But the baubles are really expensive, so I'll get you to draw them.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm not putting in effort. I don't care that much about it, but we can get a black Christmas tree.
Can we actually?
Yeah, for sure. Pretty. The view's really nice. Pretty, aren't you, Tina? You see that weird, like, snaky thing? You see it in the sea? Pretty nice and turquoise. It'd be cool to see a shark, wouldn't it? That would be the highlight of my day. It's like Kevin and Perry when they turn up to the beach and then the music starts and they go down and the two girls are there. And then they shit and get boners, don't they? Yeah, brilliant fun. It's pretty nice though. Cheeky cheese and ham toasty. Vibes. Where are we going?
Quite a stuff over here if you want them. Oh, it?
Yeah.
I'll put it down there so you can see it.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Seems. Bosh. Alright. Seems. Gang. Come on now. So clear. Oh, my balls. Come on in. Come on in. Cold? Go on, you like this, let's go. Oh God. Oh. Trying so hard to keep whatever part of my body out of the water that I can. Look like a right retard. Oh God. Oh fuck, it's cold. Oh. Just want to get to this island. Okay. So cool. Oh, we made it. Oh. Scenes. What a day. What a lovely day. Are you happy now? In your happy place?
Yes.
The big blue?
The big blue.
The open big blue.
Gang, gang. It looks quite stormy in these glasses.
Cute. Come on then. Go and dive in then. Baywatch. Go, 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 go. Ah! Go. elegance. Oh God. Oh. God, that looks so stupid. Oh God, my tits. Oh, I'm not getting in properly. This is. Oh, I am in. I'm just not getting my head wet. Oh. Look at her. So clumsy. The sun absolutely makes me fatigued. I went for the gym for an hour this morning. I then walked for like 90 minutes to get 10,000 steps. I'm now on 21,000 steps. And I'm absolutely fatigued. And we nearly made it. Yes. Bondi, sports fans. So we've done all the beaches, went for a swim. We're going to walk all the way along there, go to a McDonald's, get some ice cream, Bob's your uncle, furnish around, get me home, get me into some nice comfy clothes, a shower, some food. Oh, lovely day, but knackered. The famous pool. I don't know why you'd pay for that, but it is there. There we go. Here we go. Seems.
Oh,
Twin twist, what's that?
both of them together. I do like it.
Seems.